Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tags in Freshsales. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually from the left hand panel, click here on contacts, and from this view right here, let's say you want to add a new tag. So you click on see all details for any person you want to add a new tag to. So let's do it for this person. And here you see under the overview, you'll see the tags, right? So this one is a decision maker. So we can click here on this pencil icon and you can add a new tag. So let's do C-suite, right? See if that one is available. It's not, so we can click here, add C-suite. And of course you can change the color as well. So let's change the color. Just click on this drop down. Let's make them lemon yellow. Okay, we'll go ahead and save this. This one has been updated. Okay, we'll save that. Perfect. It has been saved. Now, we'll come back here to contacts and I'll actually show you how you can go ahead and add tags to multiple people. So let's go ahead and highlight these people. We'll click on this checkbox next to their name. And then you see right here, add tags. So we can click on this drop down, click on add tags or add tags right here. And we search the tags to add. Of course, you can click on the drop down. And once you search it up, so let's do C. Let's just type in C and it should show up, C-suite. There we go. We'll save that. So these people have been added this tag. So that's how to bulk update tags. Okay. And you can just come here, you can filter. Okay, you can add a filter and just search up people who, let's say, only the influencers. So I'll toggle this one, and if I hit apply, we'll see only the influencer contacts. Okay, and of course you can go ahead and reset it as well. Really that easy, and that is how to use tags in Freshsales.